What you want to be when you were a kid?
I wanted to be a construction worker since I was 3 years old. Ultimately, I started building a bridge across the front ditch of my house. It went horribly, I got soaking wet, but it stuck from there.
Urbacity is a great company because of its people. They are talented and professional. They know their jobs, they know how to build, how to design, and how to take care of our clients.
What gets me out of bed every morning is building. It's very satisfying waking up every day and knowing that I'm going to make a difference in building something for someone.
What gets me out of bed every morning is my family and my love for the job.
What makes Urbacity different from other companies is...
Urbacity is a design build firm.
Design Build is really focused on making sure that the communication starts and finishes with the same company.
We have 2 in-house designers. We have a full team of skilled carpenters.
We're always trying to break the mold and do something a bit more innovative and a bit more out of the box rather than your standard cookie cutter build.
The design build model gives you a seamless and cost-effective process and design experience.
All the time that we do spend in the design process cuts down on the labor costs and the time spent out of the home for the homeowner.
This allows us to deliver our projects on schedule and on budget without any surprises at the end of the job.
Urbacity is in the business of comfort. We want our customers to be comfortable with the entire construction process. We want them to be comfortable in the knowledge that we use better quality products and we never cut corners. We want them to be comfortable on the coldest nights and the hottest days.